Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to the biology class. Today we are continuing Unit 23 Economic Biology, in which prawn culture. Prawn culture is one among the type of aquaculture where rearing and breeding of economically important prawn is practiced. Prawn culture, one of the most important shellfish resources of India. They are of very great demand both in the local as well as the international market. Due to their great taste and delicacy, they are served as food. In the view of their popularity and marketing avenues in foreign countries, there is a need of developing advanced technology and intensifying prawn culture in India. Let us start types of prawn culture. A number of species of prawns of different sizes are found distributed in water resources. Only those prawns which are good in size, weight, available in plenty, easily cultivable, are commonly selected for prawn culture on commercial basis. There are two types of prawn culture practiced in India. One is marine water prawn culture, another one is freshwater prawn culture. Marine water prawn culture, it is a method of rearing prawns which are naturally growing in marine ecosystem or marine water. Rearing of marine pinnate prawn is called as marine prawn culture, or also called as shrimp culture. Some important marine water prawn species are Penaeus indigus and Penaeus monodon are the two important species of prawn cultured in India. Penaeus indigus, also known as white prawn, Penaeus monodon are the two important marine water prawn species. The next is freshwater prawn culture. The rearing of freshwater prawns is called as freshwater prawn culture. Macrobrachium rosenbergi and Macrobrachium malcolmsoni are cultured large number in freshwater. Next, methods of prawn culture. In prawn culture, the methods employed are seed collection and hatchery method. Another one, paddy cum prawn culture method. In seed collection and hatchery method, larvae and juveniles obtained by collection from natural resources such as estuaries and backwaters, or by the hatchery method under controlled rearing and breeding. The seeds are collected. The collected seeds are grown into adults. The next is paddy cum prawn culture. It is also called Pukalai culture. It is the oldest and traditional method of prawn culture practiced in Kerala. In this paddy cum prawn culture, the low-lying paddy fields along with the coastal areas serve as suitable grounds for prawn culture. Prawns are cultured in these fields after the harvesting of paddy. I hope children you may understand now what is meant by prawn culture, types of prawn culture and methods of prawn culture. Thank you children.